Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys talkback problem setting guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you solve your talkback problem guys. You can see guys you cannot use your phone as what is happening in your phone guys. You can see so as you have this problem in your Samsung phone, so guys don't worry guys. Guys I will show you guys how can you solve this problem in this video guys. So I wait and watch. So first of all guys I want to tell you guys before starting video fan, first of all go and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. First of all guys what will you have to do guys, you will have to use guys your two finger, then guys you can operate your phone, means guys you can use it, and guys if you take this one finger you cannot use it. So first of all guys click on your phone setting with one finger and guys two tap continue. First of all guys let me So first of all guys use your one finger tap setting and guys guys two tap continue. So I will tap here, then guys you can see this type of setting. Use your two finger friends with scroll it, two finger scroll. Click on guys accessibility setting with one finger, two tap continue friends. Guys click on talkback with one finger, two tap continue, one tap, two tap continue, one tap continue, two tap. Guys talkback is off guys, your problem has solved, then guys you can see guys you can use your phone without any problem guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to solve talkback problem and guys how to off talkback in our Samsung phone guys. I have told you in this video. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.